Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the VSeeBox V6 Plus, a device that offers over 1,000 live TV channels, ranging from US networks and local stations to sports and international content. It comes preloaded with a suite of apps like Heat Live, Live Ultra, and Heat VOD, plus a backup TV app, because nothing says confidence like having a spare app ready for when the first one inevitably decides to take a nap. Whether you're looking for premium movies or PPV events, this box attempts to cover it all. The core lineup is split between Heat Live for your basic IPTV needs and Live Ultra for when you're feeling fancy and want those international feeds. You also get Heat Ultra for extra sports, ensuring you have plenty of options to watch your favorite team lose in high definition. If you're a fan of big numbers, you'll appreciate the 275 network channels and 420 regional locals, which is perfect for people who enjoy having hundreds of options they'll never actually click on. The V6 Plus also features a 7-day playback window on 54 specific channels, allowing you to travel back in time and catch that show you missed while you were busy doing literally anything else. With a built-in search function spanning 1,640 channels, finding something to watch is now theoretically possible, provided you remember what you're looking for. Ultimately, the VSeeBox V6 Plus is a solid plug-and-play upgrade over earlier models, offering a massive lineup for anyone who wants premium content without the premium effort.